Y'all, I feel like it was just like 5 minutes ago that we did the last video. Oh, wait, it was like 5 minutes ago that we did the last video. Here's Tom Holland. Sort of. It's like Tom Holland in his new car. Mr. Holland's Opus. I'm just trailing off here. I got nothing. I'm losing myself. Yeah, Iron Spider from Infinity War. Tom Holland Spider-Man. We're going to get to detailing and cleaning this from reconstruction. This one is going to be a little bit more involved because why do I buy this crap? Why, seriously? It's just a Marvel Gallery thing. It's like 45 or 50 bucks, but good lord. It's got a lot of stuff. Anyways, moving on. Detailing and cleaning from dust from reconstruction from last year. So big brush for the big dusties, little brush for the littler details and drying at the end, Q-tips for all of the craggles and nooks and crannies and ball sacks and necks and butt cracks and stuff, and a fancy spray bottle that I use in car detailing from IK that I don't really even like that much. I've got fancier stuff. Maybe I should bring one of my press-all bottles. Alright, anyways, I digress. That's just distilled water. That's it. No cleaners, no chemicals, nothing that's really going to strip off any of the finish or degrade the finish or anything like that. So we're going to start with the big boy here. Get this all kind of dusted up here. Get any of the big crap off. Just off the big edges, big ledges, big hedges, big whatever. Fucking hell. We just need to get as much off of here as we can. Get into this space right here. Just kind of jam her in there. That's what she said. Shut up. Shut up. That probably not dirty. That's not exposed to anything. So I'll clean it a little bit. Shut up. The booties, the stands, the rocks. Alright. So we've got that clean. Let's get into some of the finer details of this little guy. Hope everybody's doing okay. It is really freaking cold outside right now. We're going back below freezing again tonight. No issues with the house this year, knock on wood. Ah, shit, that's from IKEA. Do I have real wood in here? Ooh, look, wood. Hey, look, it's a comic room. Yeah, I've got to clean this place up. It is a freaking mess in here. But let's knock on some wood. That's bamboo. Alright. I mean, technically this is wood-ish. It's filled particle board that started as wood, maybe? I got nothing. So we're just taking the smaller brush and going over some of the nookier nooks and crannier crannies. Is that a thing? Am I making shit up right now? Making stuff up? Am I supposed to curse in these videos? Oh man, somebody's gonna be upset at me for saying a bad word. My kid can't watch these videos and watch how you take care of your statues because you'll say bad things. You know, I'm a 40-year-old, 12-year-old child. I don't know what to tell you. I'm pretty sure I was no, mother, I was not cussing at 12 years old. I don't know what you're talking about. I was never that kid. Moving on. Okay, so I think I got most of this guy here. So we're going to move on to step 3, and that's the Q-tip step. Time to get really strange. and get into these places that may tickle a little bit. So you take a little bit of water, just squirt it right on there. Not a big deal. Don't drop it on that. That would be a bad. Be jealous of my Whataburger slides in my socks. Just be very, very jealous. Don't. I mean, yes, that's dusty. What do you want from me? I'm cleaning in here. Shut up. All right, back to the shit show here. Get inside some of these details. So we can do like a little quick check and see. Nothing too terrible. Nothing really to write home about as far as being dirty. Make sure you get the line inside the crotch. You know, just be weird about it, man. Don't just statue. What the fuck's a statue gonna do to me? Oh, I cursed again. I'm sorry. I'm not, but whatever. I can't. What am I supposed to do with this side? See if I can line that foot on that side. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. Am I even holding this in the camera? Oh, I'm gonna put this into the computer, and this is gonna be a friggin' nightmare of a video. Hey Gabe, did you clean that? I don't know. You held it out of sight of the camera for literally the entire video, numbnuts. Hey man, I'm just doing the best that I can with a GoPro strapped to my head inside of a comic room in my house. How about you do some shedding? So I'm just trying to find any little nooks and crannies that some dust might hide in. Let's do the quick check again for the Q-tip. Not really dingy this time, so this one doesn't look like it was too bad, but that doesn't mean I'm not going to give it a good shot. Just ramble on in these videos. If my wife was home right now, she'd be listening to some crazy person in the back of her house talking to his comic statues. I want to tell y'all that never happens. Yeah, that would be a damn lie. Alright. Just want to gotta line this shoe up a little bit better. Get that cleaned out. Get this little craggle inside of the thigh and the pelvic bone for Mr. Holland here in his new car. Alright, that looks like we might just have everything about done, so we can set that to the side. Can y'all see that? It got a little dingy. Nothing terrible. It's not as bad as some of the other ones that I've done so far. So, last step, we take this brush and just kind of go back over any of the things that I hit with the wet Q-tip to dry it off a little bit. I know this is distilled water. I know it's not going to leave anything behind, but I would not like to play that game and be stupid. Come back in here in a month or the next time I clean all of these things and have all of these damn things have some kind of spots on them. Well, let's get weird, Mr. Holland. Crotch got to get clean, son. Got to be impressive for the ladies here. Got to clean up. Get right in behind that arm, right inside these little nooks and crannies, along the feet, inside this guy, underneath here, Zabute, along all the arms. I think I did the arms, but no sense in not doing them again. Oh, wait, I did not do the hands this time. Can y'all see that? Let me get inside his hands. Make sure they're clean. That way he does not contract the COVIDs. So he's got his mask on. Everybody chill out. He's got his stupid mask on. It's Spoderman. He always has his mask on, sometimes when he's not Peter Parker. I mean, he's always Peter Parker, but He's not all, whatever. He's always Spider-Man, he's always Peter Parker. Everybody shut up. Just, whatever. I said the magic words. I'll probably get a sign on my video that, has information for that thing that we seem to be going through at the moment. So, that is it. Mr. Holland and his new car is done. That is the Iron Spider from Avengers Infinity War. Right? It is Iron Spider. He's got a weird texture to him. Whatever. Anyways. Ta-da, or ta-da, or ta-da, or ta-da, or ta-da, or ta-da, whatever, however you guys can see it. Again, I cannot see what's going on with the camera because it's on my head. Okay? Goodbye.